In this video, we're going to demonstrate how we hand carve a number of different types of flower. For those of you who are just starting out or who are interested in developing your carving skills, using flowers as a focal point can be a really effective way to develop your skills. We've done several videos already where we focused on the hand carving of flowers. The difference with this video is that it's a compilation. In the previous videos, we focused upon one particular flower and how we hand carve it. But on this one, we've actually got 8 different flowers. Now, some of these we carve in a relief style on a regular basis. Ones like the simple daisy and the Tudor Rose and the Daffodil. Those are ones that we're carving fairly regularly. But other ones like the rose and the tulip and the poppy, those are ones that we don't do so often in this style. And it's great fun to do something different, but it's a nice thing then to try and create a different flower. Flowers then are an ideal skill to develop your carving ability. So for anyone starting out, focusing upon flowers can be a really good way to learn the basic principles of hand carving. What it basically does, you have to do all of your stop cuts down into the woods. You then have to do the process of using those stop cuts to add depth to your carving. So that is why we sort of demonstrate and why we use the carving of flowers a lot, is that it's really good for developing your abilities. One method then that you could consider is to get an image of the flower that you're hoping to recreate. And this is something that I do myself on a regular basis. Get an image and have that with you when you start the process of hand carving the flower, and use it as a reference point. As you'll have seen in some of our other videos, you can actually stick the image onto the wood if you want to, and use then the lines of the image as guidelines for doing your stop cuts. After that, it's just a process of deciding which parts of the flower need to be pushed back and which parts need to be brought out. If any of you are actually having any difficulties with a particular flower, feel free to put it in the comments section. I'd be more than happy to have a little look at it and to do a video focusing on how I would actually go about hand carving that flower upon a love spoon. There are other methods that we've used. You can use a combination of scroll sawing to give that light and shade that we've referred to before to your carving, and then afterwards giving the carving its depth. One example on another video that we've shown using that method is where we actually did a sunflower. So that's the thing with this, you can use all sorts of different methods, all sorts of different styles to get your hand carving of your flower completed. There you have it. That is our little class, a little tutorial, you can call it, of how to carve different flowers. Altogether, there's 8 different ones that we demonstrated, but as you know, you can do all sorts of different ones. My favourite is that little one there, the rose. If you've got a favourite out of them, put it in the comments section below. If that video's useful or you've enjoyed seeing that video, don't forget to put a little like. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you know when we upload another video. If you've got any requests, remember you can put those in the comment section below as well. And as always, thank you again for watching our video.